Okay, listen up. I'm about to reveal how I cracked the code to making money from content creation without having a massive following. So, yeah, you don't need 10,000 followers. You don't even need 1,000 followers, not even 100. There's no age requirement and absolutely no choosing between making money now or building skills for later. The experts, the gurus, the big money makers want you to believe that you have to spend $2,000 for a content creation course before you can start to make money from your content. $2,000 marketing courses, $1,500 sales trainings. And let's not talk about the $50,000 plus business degrees, right? But I discovered something that's making all of these gurus sweat. Here's the truth. You can get paid to learn content creation instead of paying to learn it. Skeptical? Just wait and see how simple this is. I discovered that UGC, user generated content, is basically content creation with the cheat code activated. Instead of the brutal uphill battle of building your own audience from zero, which can take years, you can create content for brands who already have massive audiences and a budget so you can get paid immediately. Here's how UGC can become your personal money printer. Brands will pay you cash while you're still learning content creation. You'll learn how content creates in real time with real audiences. You'll be able to build a portfolio of proven high income earning skills, all while you are earning and not spending. Okay, can I be honest? I'm gonna be honest. I think we're close enough for me to be honest. I had a podcast and my first 3 podcast episodes were 100% scripted. I was literally inside of my closet reading from my Apple Notes word for word. I even wrote down every single pause. After consistently showing up, everything changed. I went from being exhausted from recording just one show to recording 6 shows in one day with my eyes closed. Literally with my eyes closed. I know. There was some kind of connection I was having. I don't know. That was the vibe. It just felt like it enhanced my delivery. I just seemed closer. It's similar to like laying in bed, talking on the phone late at night with your best friend. That's pretty much what I was doing. Anyway, when my podcast hit the top 10 list for entrepreneurship on Apple, I realized I hadn't just built a show. I learned how to create engaging content without obsessing over the audience size. That's similar to what I'm doing here. I'm showing up and I'm not fully comfortable. I am still trying to figure out this YouTube thing and I'm enjoying it. I'm using skills that I learned from my podcast I took to UGC. Skills are like infinity stones. The more you gather, the more powerful you become and you can create money out of thin air. It's like having your own money printer. Here's what those high dollar, big figure content creators aren't telling you when they're showing you the income reports and the screenshots. Most of them started with another skill, or they started with UGC, user generated content, which taught them the exact skills that they needed to monetize later. How to hook viewers in the first crucial 3 seconds. How to write scripts with insane conversion rates. How to create content that people can't help but engage with. How to negotiate rates that actually reflect your value. And it also helps you to build the confidence so you can do other cool things. And listen, they got paid to learn from day one. This is why UGC content creation is money in printer mode. It's like having brands fund your education while depositing into your actual bank account. Yes, you're getting paid to learn. I'm a Gen Xer, and if you are a Gen Xer, millennial, anything above or below or in between, I could have never imagined this digital gold rush for people like me. But if I can do it, you could do it too. Age is irrelevant in this game, and you don't even need experience, just determination, the willingness to learn, and consistency. Not to mention thick skin. I mean that thick skin. We'll talk about that another time, but don't worry about it. You're learning and you're getting paid to do it. Would you believe that I've impacted over 1.5 million Google reviewers without even realizing it? That's right. You're probably already creating valuable content and you have valuable skills, but you're just not recognizing its worth yet. So the skills that you have and the skills that you can gain through UGC is like currency waiting to be cashed in. So if you want to start your own content money printer, without all of the usual struggles, create UGC content for brands. immediate payment for practice. And once you get better, the more you get paid and the greater your skills are. Master hooks and scripts that work with real audiences. Build high income earning skills with every project. Just apply these proven techniques and scale your earnings. Don't waste time like I did trying to build a platform without these money making skills first. Even if you have some education, why not get paid to learn instead of paying to learn? Here's my offer for you. I've created a step-by-step tutorial on how you can become a content creator and land your first deal within 24 hours. This is the exact process that I wish I knew before I got started. Look, content is everywhere, and they're saying it's the new currency. Look at what Gary Vee is saying. Look at what the experts are saying. I'll link the free YouTube video below. Check it out, and you can start cashing in on your content creation ATM today. If this has opened your eyes to what is possible, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them below because I am here to answer them for you. And stay tuned because I'm in the process of creating some amazing series that will help you scale your content creation skills into a business that gives you financial time and location freedom. Appreciate you being here. Now let's get that content ATM going. Thanks for being here. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.